faster. I'm sorry, guys. I've been holding them in all freaking night. I couldn't hold it in any longer. I literally couldn't. Excuse me.
You're excused.
That's weak to you, you son of a bee. Okay, come on. Keep merch out here. Ember, that's fine. Yo, Reggie, there we go. That's my boy.
That wasn't even a good
Spicy
one. I held
meatball.
it in for a second. I was like, oh, wait, he told me to let loose. And then I, like, brought it back up from my stomach after holding it in.
I'll tell you what. I just ate a rotisserie chicken, so if I feel the need to burp, I will definitely let it out for you.
So how's Pokemans?
I'll tell you guys all about it.
Man,
after
do I
this
love...
Okay, was that the 10 out of 10? You've been saving it for that moment?
That's my superhero.
Oh, dude, every time I hear the word wallet, I think of the SpongeBob episode where he's like, "Excuse me, sir, I believe that this..." See, I'm a good friend. I come through.
Oh, man.
that was
that
lovely.
ramen's coming up now. I cannot breathe tonight. I think it's because we just ate at Red Lobster so much. I keep burping. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I just inhale food. Thank you so much for that bomb, man. Burping coming. What's up, Brent the Quags? How you doing, dude? Bomb. I couldn't hold it in. I'm sorry. The member goal. I'm about to release a powerful burp, and I'm sorry. Close your ears if you think it's disgusting. I couldn't hold it in.